who am I? My name is Vikram Sridhar and I am a storyteller. Through this 5-day workshop, we will be churning them and bringing out the storyteller in them. And every day, we're going to go laughing, running, searching, and in the process, we're going to create stories, and the children from their own bank and their own memory are going to bring it out. Suddenly, when I was working, I thought, what if everything goes away today? What if every gadget goes away? What if everything disappears? Boom! What can I do? I realized the only thing I can do is tell stories. And I can tell stories to anybody. I don't need a fan, I don't need a light, I don't need electricity. And that's what I do. Like today, yes, we can't meet, but I can still tell stories to a lot of people. And that moment made me become the artist, the teacher, the facilitator, the boom Vikram. Well, don't tell anybody. If you give me a packet of chips, I can finish the chips in one go. I won't even keep it for the next day. That's something I want to change. I love munching on chips. Potato, banana, tapioca. Take. The only thing I want to say is that let parenting be a football ground and not a tennis court with smaller boundaries. Because in a football ground, it's such a large space. The child can do whatever the child wants. The child can sleep, the child can dance, the child can go running, walking, playing. But there's also beautiful little safety net around. And this workshop, you and your children are going to have just fun creating their stories and sharing it. Every day, we're going to work, and bloom them into a storyteller. See you soon. Come learn with me at Openhouse. And my name is Vikram Sridhar.